The Beats Powerbeats Pro with AppleCare Plus 4 headphones, 2 years, in ivory offer a blend of style, performance, and peace of mind. Starting with design, the Powerbeats Pro feature a sleek, sporty look with adjustable ear hooks for a secure fit during workouts or daily activities. The ivory color adds a touch of elegance to the ensemble, making them suitable for both gym sessions and casual outings. In terms of performance, these wireless earphones deliver impressive sound quality with rich bass and clear highs, thanks to their advanced acoustic engineering, with up to 9 hours of listening time per charge and the included charging case providing an additional 24 hours, you can enjoy uninterrupted music throughout the day. One standout feature is the inclusion of AppleCare Plus 4 headphones, providing an extra layer of protection for your investment. With coverage for up to 2 years, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your Powerbeats Pro are backed by Apple's renowned customer service and support. Overall, the Beats Powerbeats Pro with AppleCare Plus 4 headphones, 2 years, in ivory offer a compelling combination of style, performance, and added protection, making them an excellent choice for anyone seeking premium wireless earphones. The Levoid air purifier for large rooms up to 3,175 square feet, featuring smart Wi-Fi capabilities and a PM2.5 monitor, is a powerhouse in home air purification. Its 3-in-1 filter effectively captures particles, smoke, pet allergens, and dust, ensuring cleaner air for you and your family. The inclusion of Alexa control adds convenience, allowing you to adjust settings with just your voice. The Core 600S/Core 600SP model in white boasts a sleek and modern design that blends seamlessly into any living space. With its large coverage area, it's suitable for spacious rooms or open floor plans. Users praise its quiet operation and intuitive controls, making it easy to use and maintain. Overall, the Levoid air purifier offers exceptional performance, advanced features, and stylish design, making it a top choice for those seeking cleaner air and a healthier home environment. The Beats Fit Pro True Wireless Noise-Canceling Earbuds offer a compelling blend of performance and convenience. Powered by the Apple H1 headphone chip, they deliver seamless connectivity and reliable performance, whether you're using them with Apple or Android devices. The inclusion of active noise cancellation ensures an immersive listening experience, blocking out external distractions so you can focus on your music or calls. With Class 1 Bluetooth technology, you can enjoy extended range and stability for wireless connectivity. The built-in microphone enables clear voice calls, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and secure fit for extended wear. Plus, with up to 6 hours of listening time on a single charge and additional charges provided by the case, you can enjoy uninterrupted music throughout the day. Overall, the Beats Fit Pro earbuds in Beats Black offer impressive sound quality, advanced features, and all-day comfort, making them a solid choice for on-the-go audio enthusiasts.